Topic 1, SAP S/4HANA releases. That is the topic 1. SAP S/4HANA full form. So you want to know. So what does SAP ERP stand for? So like this they ask you. What does SAP S/4HANA stand for? Like that the question. So that means what does SAP S/4HANA stand for means they're asking what is the full form of SAP S/4HANA. SAP S/4HANA stands for SAP Suite for SAP HANA DB. So that is the full form. SAP Suite for SAP HANA DB is the full form of SAP S/4HANA. SAP S/4HANA full form is SAP Suite for SAP HANA DB. SAP S/4HANA, it is only the product name. That means clearly they're telling it is the software. SAP S/4HANA is the name of the software. SAP S/4HANA means it is one of the software name. SAP S/4HANA is one of the SAP software. SAP S/4HANA is the name of the software. Product or software, both. You called as product or you called as software, both same. So software name is SAP S/4HANA. It is one of the SAP software. SAP S/4HANA full form is SAP Suite for SAP HANA DB. Now you want to know SAP S/4HANA product versions and their releases. So first SAP S/4HANA product version. First, which one they release, in which year? You want to know that information. First, they release SAP S/4HANA on-premise. SAP S/4HANA on-premise edition 1511. That is the first to release they release. SAP first they release. Now we are knowing about SAP S/4HANA product versions. First they release SAP S/4HANA on-premise, SAP S/4HANA on-premise edition 1511. In which year it is released? In which year it is released? Here general availability is there. In 2016 it is released. So here you see means release to customer is there, general availability is there. Now we want to know about general availability. In 2016 it is released. 2016. That means first product version in SAP S/4HANA they released on 2016. That means before 2016, in 2015, in 2014 year like that, there is no SAP S/4HANA software. From 2016 year onwards only, SAP S/4HANA software is available in the market, they are using. Before 2016 year, there is no SAP S/4HANA software. That is the first product version. It is the name of the product version. Product version name is SAP S/4HANA on-premise edition 1511. It is one of the product version in SAP S/4HANA. So here, end of mainstream maintenance. Mainstream maintenance means SAP they provide support until that date. End of mainstream maintenance date is completed. 2020. So that means, so 2020 mainstream maintenance date is completed. That means now you want to install SAP S/4HANA 1511 is not possible. You want to install SAP S/4HANA 1511 is not possible. Why means mainstream maintenance date is completed. That's why you did not use that one. Suppose you install and you want to use means you want to do any activity in S/4HANA, you want to pay amount to SAP. So their mainstream maintenance date is end means you did not use that one. Now here you see means that software also is not available. That software also is not available for installing purpose. So this is the first product version, SAP S/4HANA 1511, but nowadays this product version is not available. It is expired. Now in that year only, in 2016 only, another version they released. Version name is SAP S/4HANA 1511. SAP S/4HANA 1511. Another version is SAP S/4HANA. Sorry, 1610. 1511 is completed in that year only. SAP S/4HANA 1610. And one more important point, it is enterprise management software. SAP S/4HANA is enterprise management software. SAP S/4HANA 1610 in that year only. In 2016 only, SAP S/4HANA 1610 is released in 2016. And 2021, this product version mainstream maintenance date is completed. So that means SAP S/4HANA 1610 also expired. That's why here software is not available. So now it is not possible to install SAP S/4HANA 1610 also. Now in company, they want to use SAP S/4HANA 151 freshly in company server. They want to install SAP S/4HANA 1511 or SAP S/4HANA 1610. They want to develop business, means it is not possible. Why means SAP S/4HANA 1511 software and SAP S/4HANA 1610 software is expired. That software is not available. Why means mainstream maintenance date is completed. That's why you did not use that product version. Next, which product version they release means SAP S/4HANA 1709. SAP S/4HANA 1709. In which year? In 2017 year, SAP S/4HANA 1709 is released. SAP S/4HANA 1709. In which year it is released? In 2017 it is released. Mainstream maintenance date. Mainstream maintenance date is 2022 completed. Mainstream maintenance date is 2022 completed. Here, release to customer is there. Here, release to customer, general availability, same date. That means on that day, the software is available in the market. Everyone, general availability means everyone use that software is available in the market. Mainstream maintenance means SAP, they provide support up to this date. What is this extended maintenance? For example, here mainstream maintenance date is completed. For SAP S/4HANA 1709, mainstream maintenance date is completed here. But here extended maintenance is running this year and extended maintenance also completed. Means next year January onwards, SAP S/4HANA 1709, extended maintenance also completed. What is that extended maintenance means? So your mainstream maintenance date is completed. Now you are in extended maintenance. Extended maintenance is you want to upgrade your SAP S/4HANA 1709 to higher version. You want to apply patches to your SAP S/4HANA 1709. On that time, you want to pay some amount to the SAP and you use that activities. Why means you are in extended maintenance. That's why. So now this software also is not there for installing purpose. SAP S/4HANA 1709. Why means your mainstream maintenance date is completed. Now when company freshly they want to install SAP S/4HANA 1709 means they don't install. They don't install. Why means their mainstream maintenance date is completed. So that means nowadays SAP S/4HANA 1709 is not there. It is expired. SAP S/4HANA 1709 is not available. It is the expired. Here, this also you want to know. Release to customer, general availability, mainstream maintenance, end of mainstream maintenance, end of extended maintenance. It is cloud service and cloud service. This is called as release plan. Okay. Next, which one they release? SAP S/4HANA 1709. Okay. Next, in the next another version they release. That version is SAP S/4HANA 1809. SAP S/4HANA 1809. The release. SAP S/4HANA 1809. In which year? In 2018 year it is released. SAP S/4HANA 1809. In 2018 year it is released. In 2023, mainstream maintenance date is completed. Now extended maintenance is running this year and extended maintenance also complete. So now it is not possible to install SAP S/4HANA 1809. Why? Means that product version is expired. That product version is expired. That's why it is not possible to install SAP S/4HANA 1809. So next, which version they release? After releasing SAP S/4HANA 1809, which version they release? Means SAP S/4HANA 1909 they release. Next, they release SAP S/4HANA 1909. In which year it is released? In 2019 it is released. 2024 mainstream maintenance date is completed. In this year, extended maintenance also completed. So now the release after SAP S/4HANA 1909, in which year? In 2019 year it is released. 2024 mainstream maintenance date is completed. That means that product version also is expired. So it is not possible to install that product version. So here that one is not there, 1909. Next, the release 2020. Next, the release SAP S/4HANA 2020. SAP S/4HANA 2020. In which year? In 2020 year it is released. This year and mainstream maintenance date is completed. In 2020 year it is released. This year and mainstream maintenance date is completed. Now in company, what they do means who are using SAP S/4HANA 2020, what they do means they upgrade SAP S/4HANA 2020 to higher version. Why? Means this year and after 2 months, so after 2 months is completed, SAP S/4HANA 2020 product version is outdated, expired. That's why in company what they do means they upgrade SAP S/4HANA 2022 higher version. So after releasing 2020, they release SAP S/4HANA 2021. Here 2020 software is there for installing purpose, but now it is now in company they don't install SAP S/4HANA 2020 for developing business. They who are using SAP S/4HANA 2020 compulsory within 2 months they upgrade SAP S/4HANA 2020 to higher version. Why? Means mainstream maintenance date is completing. That's why. Next, they release SAP S/4HANA 2021. Next, they release SAP S/4HANA 2021. In which year they release? In 2021 year they release. In 2021 year they release. General availability 2021. Mainstream maintenance date is next year and it is completed 2026. That means you install SAP S/4HANA 2021 in company server for developing business. In your personal laptop also, personal system also, you want to install SAP S/4HANA 2021 means software is available for installing purpose. Next, the release SAP S/4HANA 2022. Next, they release SAP S/4HANA 2022. In which year the release? Means 2022 year the release. SAP S/4HANA 2022. In which year it is released? In 2022 year it is released. Mainstream maintenance date is 2027. SAP S/4HANA 2022. In which year it is released? 2022 year. Mainstream maintenance date is 2027. So this one also, this software also is available for installing. You install, it is possible because mainstream maintenance date is not completed. That's why you install SAP S/4HANA 2022. After they release, after releasing SAP S/4HANA 2023, this is the previous version now. This is the previous version, SAP S/4HANA 2023. In which year it is released? Means in 2023 year it is released. 2030, I think. Yeah, 2023 it is released. 2030 mainstream maintenance and date is completed. So this is previous version. previous version SAP S/4HANA 2023. In which year it is released? In 2023 year it is released. 2030 is the mainstream maintenance date is completed. So here SAP S/4HANA 2023 is the previous version, enterprise management software. SAP S/4HANA 2023 is one of the version in SAP S/4HANA software. So that is the previous version. Here software is available for installing purpose. Now the latest final version, not final version, latest version is SAP S/4HANA 2025. Latest version is SAP S/4HANA 2025. In which year it is released? 2025. This month only it is released. In this month only it is released. 2032 is the mainstream maintenance date is completed. 2032 is the mainstream maintenance date is completed. So total 10 versions they release. Total 10 versions they release. Nowadays in market, this all versions is not available. So nowadays in market, this all versions is not available. You did not use these versions. So you want to build SAP S/4HANA software means nowadays only these versions is available. You want to build SAP S/4HANA product version in your server or in company server means only these 4 versions is there. SAP S/4HANA 2021, SAP S/4HANA 2022, SAP S/4HANA 2023 and SAP S/4HANA 2025. And one more important point here you see means in 2016, 2 versions they release. SAP S/4HANA 1511, SAP S/4HANA 1610. In 2017, SAP S/4HANA 1709. In 2018, SAP S/4HANA 1809. In 2019, SAP S/4HANA 1909. In 2020, SAP S/4HANA 2020. In 2021, SAP S/4HANA 2022. In 2022, SAP S/4HANA 2021. Here 2022. 2023, 2023. Here what I'm telling is every year in 2016, 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, up to here, every year they release SAP S/4HANA product version. But in 2024 year, they did not release SAP S/4HANA 2024. Here, after 2023, they release 2025. They did not release SAP S/4HANA 2024. They are not releasing. So in 2024 year, they did not release any product version. They are not releasing SAP S/4HANA 2024. After 2023, after SAP S/4HANA 2023, latest version is SAP S/4HANA 2025 only. There is no SAP S/4HANA 2024 software. So every year they release SAP S/4HANA product version, but in 2024 year only, they did not release any SAP S/4HANA product version. And a very important part means they are not releasing SAP S/4HANA 2024. So after releasing SAP S/4HANA 2023, directly they release SAP S/4HANA 2025. Total 10 product version from 2016 until 2025. From 2016 up to now 2025, they release total 10 product versions. In this 10 product versions, 6 product versions are outdated. So 2020, okay, 2 months is there, but you think like outdated only because next January 1st onwards, SAP S/4HANA 2020 is outdated. So in this 10 product version, nowadays only 4 product versions is available. That is SAP S/4HANA 2021, SAP S/4HANA 2022, and SAP S/4HANA 2023, and SAP S/4HANA 2025. Nowadays, we want to use SAP S/4HANA product versions means these 4 product versions is available in SAP S/4HANA software. SAP S/4HANA is one of the software in that, so 10 versions is there. So 10 versions have different name. Every version have name. SAP S/4HANA 1511, 1610, 1709. It is the name of the product version. SAP S/4HANA 2025 means it is the name of the product version. SAP S/4HANA 2023 means it is the name of the product version. So this is the task 1. This is the topic 1 and task 1 in this SAP basis training. This is the first topic, SAP S/4HANA releases. every student who learn SAP Basis, first of all, they want to know what are the softwares is available and what are the software versions is available, releases. First of all, when you are using any software, first of all, you want to know the what are the versions, when they release, when it is available, it is expired or not. You want to learn that information. This is the basic knowledge of the software you want to know. Compulsory when you are using one software, what are the versions is available, what is that software, when the release, when it is expiring, you want to know that information compulsory. That's why this is the first topic I took. Why means compulsory want to know software's releases. That's why this is the first topic in SAP Basis Training. It is very important topic to learn the releases of the SAP S/4HANA software. It is the enterprise management software. Enterprise management means business software. That is the meaning. So enterprise means company. Enterprise resource planning. Enterprise management software means company. Enterprise resource planning. Resource means what? For example, Reliance Digital is there. Reliance Digital is enterprise company name. Resources means AC, fridge, washing machine. These are resources. Planning means this year, how many ACs sold? How many fridge sold? Based on that, they plan next year. So this is the target ACs we want to sold like that. So like that, it is the business software, enterprise, company managed software. Company managed software, SAP S/4HANA. So this is about SAP S/4HANA releases. Topic 1 is completed.